is the session 3 of our Python classes. Now today we will discuss about the Python collections. What are the Python collections? We will discuss today about it. Okay, let me first set it in comments and we will write the code. But before that, we will discuss about the Python collections or arrays. Now there are 4 collection data types in Python programming language. Which are those? These are the list, tuple, set and dictionary. What are those? These are the list, these are the tuple, these are the set, these are the dictionary. Okay. These all are the today's first topic: list, tuple, set and dictionary. So what is list? Now question is, what is the list? Question is, what is the list? Okay. Now answer is, a list is a collection. A list is a collection in which is ordered, we can say which is in ordered form, which is ordered, which is in ordered form, and we can say it is changeable. Okay, so in Python lists are written with square brackets. Lists are written in square brackets. This one. Okay. Okay, let me mark down it. Yes. So I am showing you an example. This list equal to, we take here, suppose apple, suppose we taking the banana, and then we use the cherry. Okay, now we have to print that. For that we use the print command, or we can also print it by this list. I will show you this list, and it will print all that. Okay, so it's print that thing. Otherwise we can use simply, we can write this list and it will also print same apple, banana and cherry. So whatever you like. And you must know about a short term, you should use shift and enter for running. Now access item. Now next topic is how to access items. How to access the items. Okay. Okay, let me clear the access items. Now this list, for that we will write the same. Okay, I don't need to write, I just simply copy it and paste here. We need to want the first one, print the second item of the list. So this is the index 0, this is the index, banana is the 0 index, 1 index, and cherry is in third index. So it is in 0, 1, 2. Okay, So if we want the uh, 0 number index, we have to print 0, then we got that. If we want the uh, first index, we have to print like this, and if we want the second index, we have to print in this way. Okay, so no need to show again. I hope you understand it. Now, what is the negative indexing? Now next our question is, what is the negative indexing? Or we can say, what's the criteria of negative indexing? Negative indexing means beginning from the end. Okay, let's write what is the negative indexing. Negative indexing means beginning from the end. Negative indexing means beginning from the end. Okay, now here -1 refers to the last item. -2 refers to the second item. -2 refers to the second item. Etc. Okay, so -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second item, etc. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second item. -1 means here is cherry, -2 means here is banana, -3 means it's apple. So if we want to print this list of -1, it should print the cherry. Okay, if we want to print the if we want to print the -2 index, then it will print the banana. And if we want to need the negative index -3, it will print the apple. Hope you this guy is up to clear. Now, what is the range of the indexes? If we want a range, now what is about the range of the indexes? What do you mean by the ranges? Okay, range. Let me make it the heading format so that you can understand clearly. Range of the indexes. Range of the indexes means you can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end, like 2:5. Here 2 is the starting point and 5 is the ending point. So when specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. Like we can say this list equal to, suppose here is apple, here is the banana, here is suppose the cherry, here is suppose the orange. Now we have to print 2 to 5. print. Now this list we have to print 2 to 5. 2 is the starting point and 5 is the ending point. So it will print and start up to 2. So 0, 1, 2. And 5 number point is not here. So I am including it. Orange, and here is a melon. And it will print cherry, orange and melon. Because cherry is in the index number of 2. Next orange is in the number of 3. And melon is number of 5. So it's print from 2 to 5. I am explaining it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, up to this much is clear. Now next is the search. Will start at index 2 and it, okay. So by leaving out the start value and the range will start at the first. So the example whatever I show you have to practice in your house so that you can able to understand more better. Now instead of 2 and 5 we can write many things like that. This list equal to, suppose, okay, I am taking the same example so that you can able to understand it. Apple, banana, cherry, orange and melon. So now we have to print up to null to 4. Null means it start from 0. 0 means here apple. So its print starting point is 0 here. Starting point is here 0. So it's start from the apple point. And it will print apple, banana 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apple, banana, cherry, orange and melon. Let me show you what it will print. Okay. Apple, banana, cherry and orange. 0, 1, 2, 3. Apple, banana, cherry and orange. Sorry. Fourth means, sorry. End means here end equal to end minus 1. Means it will print not up to melon, it will print from apple to orange. So this much is today's for that Python session. Hope you all guys like it. Let me give some subscribe button and share it to your channel and connections. Thank you so much. Okay, let me stop here my